Hello everyone, in this video I'll be creating a very simple lab. So let's start with the switches. Without any extra configuration, but this lab will be very useful. Let's say some company says, hey please, I need switches, PCs, connect them to the internet, and that is all. Please, can you do it for me? Of course I can. And then you start with doing that. Let's use cables to connect the PCs. Which port doesn't matter because we don't use any VLANs, any another let's say configuration. Just connect them to the PCs. Let's connect the switches. And let's connect these two for a redundant network. As you can see, the interface is going up. Of course, you can add extra pieces here however you want, but now for this exercise I will create only one. Then let's connect switch and router. As you can see here, we see the spanning tree working their job. Because of spanning tree, we don't have a loop in our network, so the data will not go in circle. So this will be stopped on these ports and going to like that, or like this from here to this and to go to the router. So I just need to configure router. No, enable config terminal. Interface faster than 0/1. Let's create the IP address. And no shutdown. As you can see, the interface is up. On this one interface, it will be automatically up. This is how the switch works, but on router you need to set up a manually app. So let's start and configure the DHCP server. First 10 IP addresses will be excluded, so if we have one more server added here, PC, that we need some static IP address, we will not will be let these 10 IPs for them. Of course, 0.1 is used for network and 0.1.1 is used for router. So let's go. IP DHCP pool, name it VLAN LAN, and let's create network. Let's create default router. And DNS server. That's all. Do show or like that. Show running config. As you can see here, DHCP excluded addresses are here. Our pool VLAN is here. And this is all configuration that we need. Spanning tree mode PVST is working his job. And on interface fast 0/1. This one interface, we have this IP address. And that's all. So let's go. Use PCs to get DHCP addresses. In real life, this will be automatically, but here we need to set it manually. As you can see, you're getting here IP address. And this one, of course, you're getting this IP address. Let's create one static IP address. let's say this from 0 to 10 will be use 8. This one excluded IP addresses. Default gateway will be our router, and DHCP server will be 888. That's all. And can you ping? Yes, you can. Can you ping between these two? Of course. Can you ping this one too, because they have the DHCP address? Yes, you can. And this is all for this exercise. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's a very simple exercise but useful. And see you in the next video. Bye.